everyone, this is just to give you a feedback about the new and updated Upstox app. As you all might be aware that FinCradle is an authorized partner of Upstox, and I feel it is my due responsibility to make you aware about the new upgradation that Upstox has made into its app. So basically, Upstox has brought all the particular available assets into one head. So now you can invest into different assets under one portal itself. That has increased the efficiency of investing and made the investing process a lot simpler. So I use the Upstox app for investing in IPOs, investing in mutual funds, investing in digital golds, buying and selling shares, and trading purposes as well. So they offer you a span calculator which you can use to calculate what kind of margin will be required onto different assets of different expiry and on the different trade cycles, right? They have also added a lot of intelligent features such as giving you updates about the market, giving you news about the market so that you can be updated and be refreshed about all the news happening in the industry. Apart from that, they have added a lot of smart lists which helps you to add filters onto your watch list, which makes it more easy to handle. And as you are already aware that the things have been smoother with Upstox in trading and executing your trades as well, and they are one of the lowest charge brokerage broker in the industry. And also there is some additional feature like lazy login feature which allows you to log into your Upstox portal only by using your phone number or your biometric, and that helps you in case of some emergency if you're forgetting your password or something else. So this has all been done just to revolutionize the process of investing so that you can be someone who is not facing some issues in the process of investing. The issue should always be which stock to invest in, not the process of investing. Alright, so keep on investing with Upstox. Thank you.